everybody, we are over here at the little dyno meet. I don't know the name of it. I'll try to get you a name in a bit. But right here we got this big old school military truck with a little Ford Ranger up in there. No bed, all tube chassis. Like, that is nasty. Guess we'll go walk around that other meet later on in Dover tonight as well. Probably all in the same video. But wow, that is a beefy rear end too. That is nasty. Try to kill two birds with one stone. So we got the little Jaguar and the FB RX-7 all in one cool clip. I like all the Mazda decals that were down the side of it at one point. Sounds good though. Always nice hearing a little rotary. Nice car, man. Boys, I do gotta say, this do be one pretty funny looking Miata. I don't know. So they put this RX-7 on the dyno, and it seemed like it was struggling a little bit. All right, so we're on our cruise over to the Dover, New Hampshire meet, and right behind us is this purple Civic. I had to grab a clip of that. That's so nasty. Dude, it's a slammed EG hatch in purple. It's too cool. All right, off we go. Well, this is pretty unique. We have a wide body Mercedes-Benz. You got the clear hood. I'm not too sure about what it is. I don't know my Mercedes very well. Got some AMG brakes. It is apparently an AMG. That is nasty. Wow, damn. I'm liking the purple and green, like, offset. It's a cool looking car. And right down here by the water, this is just such a beautiful clip. We couldn't pass up on this. We have Gabe's Acura Integra. Dude, this is just such a sweet car. These, I think I haven't been able to show you guys it all wrapped up with the wing yet. And on some new turbo fans. I mean, this is heat. But especially, like I said, one more walk around. Bam, right by the water, dude. Classy. It's another pretty hard vehicle right here. We have a WRX hatch on some TE37s laid right out. I love the aggressive wing. It's a carbon fiber insert in the center there. Dude, props. This is like such a clean WRX. Yo, back-to-back hard WRXs. We love to see it. Carbon fiber hood. Right down to the light-up WRX emblem. That's actually fire. On some Workmeister wheels. I mean, just clean. What like a fire way to set this up. Yo, okay. I'm going to say I think he's boosted. This is sick. That intercooler in the front, little hood dump right there. It must be for the blow-off valve. Dude, that is fire. Little golf ball rolling in behind him. And we got quite a lineup right here. This is the Honda Civic Type R, FD RX-7, and the S2000 Club Racer. Or it might just be a regular S2000. Yo, right over here, dude, straight out of like a Hot Wheels cartridge. We got a nice little slam Volvo action going on over here. Got that old school on some cool little wheels. Wow. This is nasty, dude. Clean, simple, and just like wild all at once. Dude, I love it. Probably like one of my favorite things that showed up to this meet, hands down. Yeah, and right over here we have a sweet gold static LS400 with a little gold pinstripe down the side, tinted out too, which looks fire. And most importantly, the clear tails. All gold emblem LS4 as well. Oh, these clears are gorgeous, dude. Dude, it sounds really good. Sick little E36, man. This is cool. Definitely sounds like a welded diff bag there. All right, so, yo, and check this out, dude. Little Corolla hatch action over here, white on white. Super clean, got the little blast pipes back here. Right over here, we got a little Mark V Supra. Nice stance, it's real clean over here. We got the purple truck all posed up, obviously. Right over here we have the S2000 with the Club Racer wing, which gives us a perfect style. Look at that, sun glistening off this car is perfect. Right over here we have the red FD RX-7. Another just insane car. Braid racing seats, however you pronounce it. Wow, that's fire. We got the Civic absolutely dropped on the ground. A little EK action going on. Dude, this thing is sweet. Right on the ground. And big tilty wheel Miata. I'm curious if this is the kid that does all the low car limbos. If so, I'm liking the new wrap. It looks clean. Yo, dude, a legit Airbus flying by. That's nasty. Like, what? Anyway, back to the meat. Oh, we're gonna really zoom out. Yo, what's up? What's up?
Bro, every
y'all
video.
in, yeah, every video. It's just y'all
video.
posing up. It's so zoomed into, I can't go back any further.
What if I just do one of these?
Show the LS400 some love. I think this thing is absolutely stock, maybe just wheels, but it's nice, it's clean. I like old cars, gotta show it some love. I mean, this is a classic. That's all. It's just nice and clean. Join me in this blind walk around. So the front of this looks like a Civic, essentially. A little bit more boxy headlights. Obviously, you can tell it's a wagon. And if you didn't notice already, it is right-hand drive with some very, very sweet interior. A little net down here, a little cargo net of some sort. And it's just a right-hand drive EK. Okay. So yeah, it basically is. It's just a Civic wagon, an EK wagon, apparently. There must be a real name for it. I don't know it. But that is a dub. Like, that is a fire car. I feel like this car could just speak for itself. It's so nice. We got a nice little GLI. I mean, not a lot to say. It's got a beautiful color, some clear taillights, nice matching roof box, perfect fitment. What more could you want in a car? Oh, and it's a manual. Just keeps getting better the more I look at it. So, turbo FD RX-7 piecing out of here. Beautiful S2000. It's a pretty odd vehicle to see here. It's a Mazda 6 wagon. And I don't know, I just feel like I've never seen one of these before. So I had to grab a clip, just lower down on some wheels. Nice little front lip, but just interesting. It's different. No copy and paste build here. All right, we love to see it. Right over here we have an R32. And I am unsure. It's an RB26 twin turbo, so it might be it's definitely a GTR. We got the GTR bumper. I haven't walked to the back yet to see. Beautiful blue. Nice little Momo wheel. Tasteful, very tasteful. Bam, GTR, absolutely beautiful. Someday, boys, someday. This car is so gorgeous. Need it. I need this in my life. Just talking to the owner of the R32, and he had offered us to sit in the car. And obviously, we can't say no. Oh, and I love the blue interior, actually. Dude, the doors are so crisp. So, how about the Momo wheel and everything? Was that all in the car as well? Wow. Dude, it's like, it's so comfortable. Legit. Just cool. It's so cool being in one of these. So, Lex and I were just talking with the owner, and we're going to go for a cruise in the R32 GTR, so that's going to be a pretty nuts experience. All right, guys, so we are in here now, and we're going to feel the power of an R32 GTR. Holy. Dude. Yo, that is wild. Like, yeah, that is crazy. I heard my boy go, "Yo, Derek," up on the side of the road. Wow. Dude, that cornering is nuts too. So like actively, like when you turn, your wheels like automatically turned in the rear as well?
Yes.
Wow. That really did make a difference. It didn't feel like it was pushing. It didn't feel like it was going to understeer. It really just took it, like zero questions asked.
Yeah, it's got the 50% to the front as well.
Wow. Dude, this is such a sick experience. Holy. Oh my god, dude. No way. But Dude. Holy, that pole is insane. Wow,
Once you
dude.
build boost, it'll go.
Oh, man. Dude, big shout out to the homie Jamie, bro, for real. Like, a massive thank you. Dude, this has been a very, very cool experience. Well, all right, guys, we just got back. Again, huge shout out to our friend Jamie for taking us for a ride in this beautiful R32 GTR. I mean, this is, like, what a crazy experience. Bucket list to, like, cross right off. That was so awesome. And now we need one. So cool. Sell your car. All right, guys, we just rolled up to Trey's house. And Trey, what are we doing today? What are we doing today?
A 2002 Acura RSX Type S that is completely pimped. Yeah, waiting for it to pull up right now, currently.
Yo, is this the car, bro? Is this the car?
Status report.
Let's go. Let's go. This is it. This is the car.
This is it, dude. This is the RSX.
No, I'm just kidding. The car. Ooh, hit the 360.
Veil side body kit Type S.
Wild. Dude, no, I'm just kidding. The car you're getting is not as good as this.
Yeah, well, honestly, this thing's better. I mean, I like just...
We got big low static Avon right here.
Is that 0.5?
Yeah. It's been a good day, bro. It's been a good day. We saw a lot of crazy stuff today. Today was real. All right, guys. So Trey is about to take livery of his new car. I was gonna say brand new, but it is not. And if you just watched our YouTube channel recently, you know this car. Alberto legitimately just picked this up, and he's already selling it. What is this? No. Yeah. So this is it. Trey's about to take livery of his new car, man. And it's like he's owned this since like July 16th. It's not even been a month, but this means something very crazy, guys. Some new EK Civic parts are coming in, and you're not gonna want to miss this. All right, guys. So Trey is now going for a drive in the car. His first drive, actually, totally just picked up the car without ever driving it, which is super funny. But it was Alberto's car, and it's well taken care of. It was his friend Julian's car before, and it was very well taken care of. So, yeah, a couple of little tiny things that need to be done. But, I mean, just in the short time this car was on the channel, it got BBSs, all these other fun suspension things, lowered down quite a bit just in time for Trey to get hold of it. And don't worry, the content isn't done. Now that Trey has it, we're really going to see this thing get some serious work done as well, which is going to be awesome. Look at this. We got the Z, the Minitruck, and the Civic Type R, the FK8 on TE37s. Nasty. That's all right, guys. We're going to check out Evan's alignment sheet on this thing.
So that was before. I left the camera because the wheels are too tight.
The before and the after, dude. Right on the money.
Bro, yeah, you don't mess with me.
Don't mess with alignment man Evan. Yo, Trey.
I can't even align my own car.
Wait, yo,
Own this thing now, bro.
Bro, what if we put this up and turn the wiper on?
No.
And have it go...
Anyway, yo, look at that. The badged up 2.4 liter K24 on the Acura RSX Type S. This is now officially Trey's car. Already disrespecting it. And excited to see what this car has in store for it. But we are going to peace out of here because it's dark out and I can't make any video content here, so.
Oh, Derek's in it! What?